everyone, I'm Marina Nyondi Mayasari, and now I would like to explain you about solid-state relay. What is solid-state relay?
What is solid-state relay? A solid-state relay, or SSR, is an electronic component that switches power or current to a load circuit and provides electrical isolation between an application control circuit and load circuit. It's a competitive technology to electromechanical relay, or EMRS, contactor and other switching technologies such as mercury displacement relays, or MDRS. What does solid-state relay do? First, the switching device switches power to the load circuitry, and the second, the coupling mechanism enables that control signal activate the switch without any moving parts. These are the types of SSR. First, read relay coupled SSR, in which the control signal is applied directly or through a preamplifier to the coil of a read relay. The closure of the read switch then activates appropriate circuitry that triggers the transistor switch. Clearly, the input-output isolation achieved is that of the read relay, which is usually excellent. And the second, transformer coupled SSR, in which the control signal is applied through a DC and AC converter if it is DC, or directly if it is AC to the primary of a small, low-power transformer, and the secondary voltage that results from the primary excitation is used with or without rectification, amplification, or other modification to trigger the transistor switch. In this type, the degree of input-output isolation depends on the design of the transformer. And the third type is photocoupled SSR, in which the control signal is applied to a light or infrared source like LED, and the radiation from that source is detected in a photosensitive semiconductor. The output of the photosensitive device is then used to trigger the triac or the SCR that switches the load current. Clearly, the only significant coupling path between input and output is the beam of light or infrared radiation, and electrical isolation is excellent. These SSR are also referred to as optically coupled or photoisolated. Solid-state relay can be used for some applications such as medical, HVAC, professional food equipment, theatrical lighting, and industrial machinery. And these are the advantages of using solid-state relay. First, SSR are faster than electromechanical relays. Their switching time is dependent on the time needed to power the LED on and off, of the order of microsecond to millisecond. And the second, increased lifetime, particularly if activated many times, as there is no moving part to wear and no contacts to pit or build up carbon. And third, output resistance remains constant regardless of amount of use. Fourth, clean, bounceless, and operation. Fifth, no sparking, allowing use in explosive environment where it is critical that no spark is generated during switching. Totally silent operation. Inherently smaller than a mechanical relay of similar specification. And the last, much less sensitive to storage and operating environment factors such as mechanical shock, vibration, humidity, and external magnetic fields. Besides that, using solid-state relay also have disadvantages, such as, first, voltage or current characteristic of semiconductor rather than mechanical contacts. When closed, high resistance or generating heat and increasing electrical noise. When open, lower resistance and reverse leakage current, typically micro-air range. Voltage or current characteristic is not linear, not purely resistive, distorting switch waveform to some extent, and electromechanical relays has the law of make linear, resistance of the associated mechanical switch when activated, and the exceedingly high resistance of the air gap and insulating material when open. Some types have polarity-sensitive output circuit. Electromechanical relays are not affected by polarity. And the second, possibility of spurious switching due to voltage transient, due to much faster switching than a mechanical relay. The third, insulated bias supply required for gate charge circuit. And fourth, higher transient reverse recovery time due to the presence of body diode. And the last, tendency to fail short order outputs while electromechanical relay contacts tend to fail open.